Manomet is a 41-year-old conservation science nonprofit organization based in the small town of Manomet, Massachusetts. Our mission is the conservation of natural resources for the benefit of wildlife and humans. And that distinguishes us from many other groups, that we have always thought about that intimate connection between conservation of wildlife and natural resources and people. Manomet started as the Manomet Bird Observatory, and it was a research institution based, as the name implied, on studying migratory birds in particular. My colleague Brian Harrington, back in the early 70s, was interested in shorebirds at a time when almost no one else was, and Manomet has maintained that legacy as a global leader in conservation of shorebirds, which are highly migratory and present conservation challenges that few other species do. If you think about conserving birds that migrate from one end of the planet to the other, you pretty quickly realize there is no single organization, no government, no treaty organization that could accomplish that task. No one has the resources, no one has the authority. So Manomet's role is to bring together those various parties in what we call collective impact. That is, everyone has to understand and agree what the problem is. We have to agree how we're going to measure progress, and we have to stay in constant communication about what each of our roles is toward doing that. Manomet serves as the backbone organization that provides the structure and the communication for that huge interconnected effort across the entire hemisphere. Manomet's philosophy of conservation is that a healthy and sustainable planet requires the well-being of people at these places. It's not a case of one or the other. It's not economy or environment. It's both have to build together. To conserve wildlife, we have to benefit the quality of life at the important places for the people who live there.